Every person has two eyes. They enable us to see things around us. Try looking into the mirror. Can you see a colored ring structure around the center of your eye? That is your iris. Bounded by the iris is the pupil. It is where light gets into your eyes. So what is the function of the iris? In fact, it controls the amount of light entering our eyes. In dim light, the pupil becomes larger in size. This can allow more light to enter the eye. On the other hand, the pupil becomes smaller in size in bright light. This can prevent too much light from entering the eye. After the light enters our eyes, how is it focused on our retina? In fact, this is done by the lenses in our eyes. When looking at a near object, the focusing muscles surrounding the lens contract. The lens becomes thicker. Light is refracted more by a thicker lens, so that the light from a near object can be focused on the retina. Therefore, we can see a near object clearly. When looking at a distant object, the focusing muscles surrounding the lens relax. The lens becomes thinner. Light is refracted less by a thinner lens, so that the light from a distant object can be focused right on the retina. Therefore, we can see a distant object clearly. After the light from an object is focused on the retina, how do we detect the light and see an image? There are many light-sensitive cells, rods and cones on the retina. When they are stimulated by light, they produce messages which are then sent to the brain along the optic nerve. Then a vision is made. The brain interprets the messages, and therefore we can see an image.